Okay, it's Wine Wednesday. Let's check out the
Thank
wine.
goodness. We've had such a long morning.
This is the recommended wine from Mike over at Wine Gourmet. It's a Beaujolais Nouveau. It's a special wine available only in the late fall.
Okay.
It's a bright, fruity wine made from grapes that were ripening on the vine only weeks before being available in the bottle. To get them ready so quickly, the grapes are put through a special fast-track fermentation process. It also creates a light wine bursting with red fruit flavors. What do you think? Did you try it?
I haven't tasted it because I was waiting to taste it with
all right.
you, actually.
He says it's well suited to the Thanksgiving table.
And it's supposed to be chilled.
It's almost like having your cranberry sauce in a glass.
That's so nice, I'll have to taste it twice.
This is cute. Mike always throws something in fun. He says this wine is meant to be drunk young and fresh. Like Joan Rivers, it doesn't age well.
He's so clever.
Stop on by Wine Gourmet. It's located on Electric Road, winegourmet.biz, or give them a call 400-8466. You can also find them on Facebook.